Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A23, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible on the screen, like it is for me, my home screen, you want to press power key and volume down at the same time. Just a single click of both of them. You'll have a sound along with this kind of like flash of the borders, and then pop up at the bottom with share and edit options, which disappear on its own after like a second or two. Now once the pop-up at the bottom disappears, you can locate your screenshot in the gallery application, and it's going to be visible right at the front at the top of your all pictures, as you can see right here. But you can also locate it under albums, and here you'll have screenshots album, and obviously in here you'll find only screenshots, which one of them for me is the one that I have just captured on throughout the video. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.